crazy. There's a car on top of the elevator. Don't drop the phone. Don't drop the phone. Kawasaki.
Yeah, África pueden actually ser pretty badass. Creo que los güeyes que mira hasta if you go off mínimo no vas a
Next round we gotta bring the bikes. Oh, el Africa Twin está sexy.
yeah, that's a good looking bike. I might consider one of these.
Era el Atacar. This was before the GS, right? The modern day GS. External oil coolers. I like that.
Yo tengo más. Holy shit. Yo tengo 10 more horsepower at the same RPMs.
Oh, it's just some twin parallel.
What is that?
No clue.
Just Cyclops.
It's made by Yamaha. Those little Hondas made the cut.
That's bread.
Was this road legal?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I don't know if this one.
Say what? Oh shit, bro.
No, I didn't get to see it though, pero ya le pusieron la yellow flag aquí, güey.
But you can see a lot of them.
Ah, he don't fuck this shit
Some
up.
of them are just kind of cruising.
Damn.
Isn't that cool to see?
Well, he's
It's fun, right? The sound.
on 2 legs, so that's what matters. Oh, he managed to start it.
He probably was just
Left a few pieces behind, but
Oh, that's right. Oh, nice.
what is that?
I don't know.
Is that a motorcycle? No.
It's got 2.8 ring cores.
Yeah. Good old kickstart. Brakes and Straton, eso los que hacen los lawnmowers, right? So that company's been around for a while. Hey, I've seen this on TV in Japan.
Oh, that's the one you get a free bike with you buy a Civic, right?
Yeah, in Japan.
Japan was the first, right?
Oh, they actually made trucks. Can it leaf springs and coil springs? That's crazy.
Oh, is this the cargo? Didn't you know the cargo?
I like it. Oh, la polizia.
This older
La polizia.
sheriff. I don't know why.
Look at this Goldwing Shetty.
That's
This
a
was an
sheriff.
actual police bike, right?
Isn't that retired? It's like, does it say the mileage?
Nope, it's digital. No, no tiene un clicker. Man, we can't do this in one take. It's just too much. Is this the Triumph Daytona race bike?
Tamusa would like that.
Tamusa would dig this.
Tamusa would drive the shit out of it.
He'll probably want to truck it like he right now. Harley Davidson crotch rocket. What's up with that?
Oh, that's an AMF?
AMF. The ones that you can find on the side of the road.
Just looking at it, broke down.
Maserati actually made motorcycles at one point.
Maserati.
Good thing they stuck to cars. And even those suck. La Norton. I like this. England electric start. La Nortons are gorgeous. Bimota. No, 1000.
Lo que hacen para que...
They don't back out.
Hey, I'm gonna do that to mine.
That's when Loctite wasn't available, I assume. Still looks cool.
It looks cooler when you get wired through it.
That's a sick looking exhaust.
Alright. What is that, a fat single?
No, it's twin.
Twin. That's a 90.
90 degree twin. What brand is this Bimoto? Never heard of it. Of course it's gotta be Italian.
Dry clutch.
Is it?
Yeah. Titanium, they said a cover.
Really? What year is it?
It's not 1000. Very cool.
Don't believe it. I didn't even catch the year. 2007, and they had that kind of... Well, actually, I'm not going to say I've never seen it, but it's... Maybe the Italians have been at it longer than the Americans. I don't know. Kawasaki. Honda. Look at this monstrosity. What is it?
I don't know.
Aprilia.
Well, I know it's Aprilia, pero
What kind of? Is that a two-stroke? Yeah.
it's probably on the concept.
It's a two-stroke Aprilia. Liquid cool, 50 horsepower. That's $7,000.
Did I check this out?
Top speed 95 miles.
And our bikes, todo es plastic, pero hasta estos son de cast aluminum, that's badass. Esto. Casings, turn signals, cast aluminum, todo. That's cast aluminum too.
Yeah. Has Brembos, so that's cool.
No surfing.
I would never ride this. It's cool to look at, though. Moto Guzzi. I'm a Moto Guzzi fan, but look at this. Moto Guzzi, California. Love the color. I don't know if the camera catches it. Sick. What numbers is it putting down? Air cool, 90 degree. About 100 horse. Not bad. A little top heavy, 710. But I guess it is a big bike. Here's another Bimota. Got the Kawasaki 900. These things are timeless. Double overhead cam. This is going to be my next motorcycle. Harley Limited Ultra. And if it's not this, it's going to be a Goldwing. Oh, this is an e-bike, the Harley Davidson.
It's one of them battery powered ones. Is it?
Yep. Looks interesting.
Looks heavy.
What kind of numbers? That's it, 105?
How much?
105?
105?
I thought it would have been more, but oh well.
This is for Eric was working in school.
Why'd you get all excited talking about wheels? Is it still a Harley engine? No, this is some kind of prototype. Dry clutch.
Oh, this is definitely a prototype.
Got some slicks on it.
Raced it.
Seems like a two-stroke. Yeah, it's a two-stroke Buell. Get your revs high as balls.
163 horsepower.
That's crazy.
Top speed 178.
178 on that? That's a big no-no, thank you. Oh, that's the man himself. Look at him. Eric Buell. What happened? What was that?
It sounded like it was coming from that side.
Yeah. Oh,
Outboard motors. Damn, why do they run boats?
cray. Ah, look at that. You see that at the end?
Air propeller?
Remember the air propeller before GT.
That's a $2 million.
Mira, la 1125 CR.
Dang.
Okay, so all of these are Buells.
Okay, so this was my dream bike. So when I saw that, yeah, I had to have it, and I did. I might have another one.
This is pretty radical for its time. 146 horse.
Dual
Liquid cool.
M16.
Rotax Helicon V-twin 4-stroke.
Wait, look how light it is. That's fucking light.
375. 170 top speed.
375. That's super light. Power.
Puro aluminum. I actually got to ride that for a long time too.
When I bought it, that was just as neat.
Alright, I'm gonna stop taking video and I'm gonna take more photos because there's just way too much to look at. What the hell is that? Sounds like a car outside, caught fire. Yeah, I'm gonna take more photos because it's a lot of video for the process.